Maybe too much fruits in here.
You should let someone carry it for you.
Dia punya ini kita kapal kita kan.
You pay someone to do it. All right. Good morning once again. Thank you for tuning in on your favorite radio station, 6.3 FM. No, I don't carry cash. So 15.3 starts with the brackets, the product of two brackets. You have already received it, but now it shall be added on top of it. No, we're just gonna do more.
Just explaining deeper into practice.
Correct. Yes?
Tell me right now.
So you've seen this before? When you multiply two brackets, you multiply the one on the left with everything with the one on the right. So x times x squared. X times minus 5, minus 5x. 3 times x. And then 5 times 3 equals minus 15. And then what do you have to do? Place the like terms together. X squared plus 5 minus 3. It's minus 2x and then minus 15. That's it. You've seen it, you've done it, you've lived it.
We died today.
No, you're still alive. And now continues the special products. What are special products? Special products are products you should be able to make within 2 seconds. For example, the first one, when you get a special product, a plus b squared, the answer is always a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Always. For example, so what is the answer? A squared, which is x squared, plus 2 times 1, which is in front of the x, 2 times 1, which is 2, x multiplied by 5. 10x. And then 5 squared, 25. This takes you 2 seconds. A minus b squared. Same thing, the exact same thing. I'll add a number. A squared, what is a squared? 3x squared is a. So you have to take the square of what? 3x. What do you have? 9x squared.
Plus 21 because 3 times 7. No.
Minus 3 times 7 is minus 21 multiplied by 2. Minus 42x. And then 7 times 7, 49. Special products.
So when you do 3x times 7 equals
Minus 21 multiplied by 2.
minus 21 because it's 3x minus 7 is
No. A, this is A and this is B. 3 times minus 7 is minus 21 multiplied by 2. B squared. B squared, 7 times 7.
so when you times 7 and 7 you lose the negative.
No.
Because
No.
if you said
Minus 7 squared is 49. It's not minus 7 squared. It's not this. It's not that. Minus 7 squared.
minus and negative 7 square because of the bracket.
Correct. The one at the bottom will be negative 49. Two AB. A is 3. B is minus 7. 3 times 7 is 21 times 2. Three x. What's with 3x? Two AB. A is 3x. B is minus 7. 3 times 7 is 21 times 2 is 42. Yes? By the end or beginning of the test week, you can just look at it and pop out the answer. X plus 5 squared is x squared plus 10x plus 25. You just look at it. Oh, that is the answer. Square on the 9? There's no square on the 9. Because x times x equals? You're not squaring 3 alone and then x. You're squaring 3x. And the last one, which there are many variants of, which you should watch out for, So, two times A times B. 2 times A times B. A is 3x, B is minus 7. And the last one. This is the easiest one. And the more you practice, the more variance of it will show up. A squared minus B squared.
So 5b squared 5 times 5 is 5. 25 b squared 25 b squared. 25 is 31 squared. And 25 minus 50 is
So the answer is this.
Isn't
Yeah.
it 31 squared minus 9 squared? No.
The answer is
25 b by the power of 4. Oh, 5 squared plus the other 5 squared is equals to 4.
here. Look at this.
I'm trying to figure out where the 4 came from.
4.
Because the indices. So like when you
So you go to
when you multiply, when you multiply the
5p.
indices put together.
So this is
and it's equals
chapter 1.
Chapter 1.
no, just trying to remember it.
What?
Anyways,
Mm-hmm.
so in a test when you ask a question related to this, how does it usually look like? Like what do you ask? Like
No, if it's a special product, you just pop out the answer. You don't need to write. You don't need to do this. If it's a special product, it's a special product. So if you say, write the answer of x plus 5 squared, it's just this. Done. No need to multiply x with x, 5 with x. Just pop out the
this
answer.
is the sorted version of the thing you showed us above here.
Yes, if you notice correctly, these two are different. These are the same. This is x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. So that is why it's a special product. But these are not special products. You can't say x squared plus 2 times 3 times minus 5. You cannot say that. See, it's not minus 2. This is not a special product. These are special products, as you can see. So you have to notice them.
Can you repeat? Because I'm kind of spotty on this.
Special products mean these are the same. You see a difference? This and this. You see? They're not the same. This means x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. These two are the same. These two are not the same.
So special is when there's the square, so they have the same.
Yes. You see x plus 5 squared.
So when they're
3x
square,
minus-
they're special. The special. What do you call it? Special.
Special products.
When they're square, they're special products. And when they're not square, they're
No,
not.
no, no. These You can look at it that way, but
you want me to look
yeah.
at it some other way?
Correct. And this one, as you can see,
It's the same.
two of the same numbers. The only thing that's different is the operation. And then you have to get this answer. It's always. So you don't have to do 5p times 5p, 5p times 6, 6 times 5. You don't have to do that. This is the answer immediately.
Because they're the same.
I don't get it. Oh, if this was, for example, 4p squared, then I would have to do that thing.
Do what
Like
thing?
both of them.
No, if both of them were 4p, you would still get
I know.
16p squared.
But what if one was 5p and the other was 4p?
Then you have to do it like
that
this.
because it's not the same.
It's not the same.
Okay,
Correct.
So if I even if I did that, the answer will be the same.
But if you did
You use
this,
that and
the
use
answer
that.
would be the this. That's why you learn it the faster way.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. If you say the same, as I stated, this is the most difficult symbol in mathematics. If you say the same, it means it is exactly the same thing. When you multiply brackets, this is the way to do it. When you multiply brackets, this is the way to do it. Now, these are special. Why special? Because the answer is always the same. So it doesn't matter if I have x plus 6, x plus 5, x plus 10. The answer is always a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Always. So if I ever get, for example, x minus 7 squared, I can pop out the answer. X squared minus 14x plus 49. It's always this. Always. If I have a different number, for example, x minus 7, x plus 5, it's something different. I cannot pop out the answer immediately. I have to multiply one by one before I get to the answer. Correct, because these are special. As you can see, a minus b, a plus b. Separately, differently. Correct. Correct. All right. That was the easy one. Since you can simplify or remove brackets, you can also place back into the brackets. So I can give you 9x squared minus 42x plus 49, and you have to say, well, that is 3x minus 7 squared. So, if I give you you should know immediately which one this is. I shall start with the special products. Sorry? It's a special product. You start with the one in the back. The one in the back says, I have two numbers multiplied with each other, and the answer is 4. The one in the middle, I have the same two numbers. When I add them together, they are 4. Which numbers I multiply with each other are 4. When I add them together, they're also 4. 2. So what is your answer? Done. Two numbers you multiply with each other is 4. Two numbers you add with each other is also 4. 2. Special product. Once you make about 100 of these, you can see them clearly. In the beginning, it can go a bit slow. By making, like, I made at least 50,000 of these. So when I see it, I know it immediately. That's the only way. By making them. That is the only way. Muscle memory. That is the only way. We are entering the territory of Whisker and the Bay. And Whisker and the Bay is literally writing and making exercises. That is the only thing you can do about it. You cannot look at it and say, oh yeah, I'll remember it in 5 years. You will not remember it. You have to practice it consistently. Yes? Another one. Another special product. You can find the answer immediately. Two numbers multiplied with each other. It's 25. Two numbers added together is minus 10. Minus 5, correct. X minus 5. When I add minus 5 and minus 5, it's minus 10. Two numbers added together, minus 10. Two numbers multiplied with each other at positive 25. And now the one that has many variants. This is A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. So what do I need to do? The square root of everything. The square root of 49q to the squared is 7q. The square root of 144p to the fourth is 12p squared. How do you get the answer so quickly? By practicing a lot. Yes, 15.3. All these exercises. Right, without brackets. There we go. X plus 6 squared. X squared plus 12x plus 36. You just look at it and know the answer.
So the which page is that again? No.
It's the first. A plus B squared.
Which page is that?
341.
So B is
Wednesday.
So B is X plus
Here or more.
each square. I was doing B is bracket x plus 11 bracket square. So is
Which one?
go back. B. X plus 11
B. Plus x plus 11 squared.
X plus 11 times 11.
A plus b squared. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. X squared plus 22x plus 121.
So x plus 22 square plus 121.
X squared
X square
plus 22x plus 121.
121.
5x plus 1. 25x squared plus 10x plus 1. They stay the same. Once you practice enough, you just look at the exercise. What an easy thing. 3x plus 5 squared. 9x squared plus 30x plus 25. You just look at it and know the answer. Because you practiced enough. Yes? Look at all these exercises, especially for you. All of this. Once you master the special products, the rest will be piece of cake.